Stop taking things personally. How to be less sensitive. There are ways to be less sensitive and more resilient. Are you someone who finds themselves getting hurt or upset by even the smallest of comments or actions? One way to become less sensitive is by practicing mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment and observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we can learn to regulate our emotions and reactions. Another strategy is building our emotional regulation skills, such as learning to tolerate distress and delay our responses. Writing about our feelings in a journal can also help us process and manage our emotions. These strategies are not a one-size-fits-all solution, but they can help you build emotional resilience and regulate emotions effectively. We will discuss some of these strategies below. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. They can also help you develop a sense of calm and inner peace, which can help reduce your sensitivity. You can try mindfulness and meditation in various ways, such as 1. Guided meditations. There are many apps and videos available that offer guided meditations. 2. Mindful breathing. You can practice mindful breathing by focusing on your breath and observing your thoughts without judgment. 3. Mindful movement. You can try yoga or Tai Chi, which involve mindful movement and breathing. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions effectively. It can also involve understanding and empathizing with others' emotions. Some ways to develop emotional intelligence include 1. Identifying your emotions. Try to identify and label your emotions accurately. 2. Understanding your triggers. Identify the situations or people that trigger your sensitivity. 3. Developing empathy. Try to understand others' perspectives and emotions. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is an essential part of being less sensitive. Boundaries can help protect your emotional well-being and prevent others from crossing your emotional boundaries. Some ways to set boundaries include 1. Saying no. Learn to say no to things that do not align with your values or goals. 2. Communicating your needs. Communicate your needs clearly and assertively. 3. Avoiding toxic people. Avoid people who are negative or toxic to your emotional well-being. Becoming less sensitive requires effort and practice. Professional help. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we may still struggle with being overly sensitive. In these cases, seeking professional help may be the best option to help us cope with our emotions. Therapy. Therapy can be a helpful tool for those who struggle with being overly sensitive. A therapist can provide a safe and non-judgmental space for us to explore our emotions, identify triggers, and develop coping strategies. Many different types of therapy are available, including cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), dialectical behavior therapy (DBT), and psychodynamic therapy, among others. We may learn techniques to manage our emotions during therapy sessions, such as breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and cognitive restructuring. Healthy lifestyle choices. When it comes to being less sensitive, we can make certain lifestyle choices that help us feel more balanced and less reactive. Here are some key areas to focus on. 1. Exercise. Physical activity has been shown to positively impact mental health, including reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. 2. Nutrition. What we eat can also have a significant impact on our mental health. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can give us the nutrients we need to feel our best. It can also help regulate our mood and energy levels. To make healthier food choices, we can focus on adding more whole foods to our diets and reducing our intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. 3. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for our mental and physical well-being. Lack of sleep can increase stress, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. It can also weaken our immune system and increase our risk of developing chronic health conditions. We can improve our sleep habits by creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book before bed. If you're clear about how you'd like to conduct yourself in social situations, and you practice these behaviors, you might not always be as polished as you'd like nor know how others are reacting.